The Variable Torque Management Forward System, or VTM-4, is Honda's intelligent all-wheel drive technology that automatically distributes torque between your front and rear wheels based on driving conditions. The system operates in two main modes: automatic mode, which is the default setting that engages all-wheel drive when sensors detect the need for additional traction, and VTM-4 lock mode for enhanced traction in challenging conditions. When you need to disengage VTM-4 lock, there are three primary methods available in 2024 and 2025 Honda Pilot models. The first and most common method is using the VTM-4 lock button. The second method is speed-based automatic disengagement. The VTM-4 lock system automatically disengages when your vehicle's speed exceeds 18 to 25 miles per hour. This prevents drivetrain binding on dry pavement. The third method is the ignition cycle reset. Simply turn off your engine completely, then restart the vehicle. This will reset the VTM-4 system back to automatic mode. You can verify successful disengagement by checking your dashboard. The VTM-4 lock indicator light should be off, and your vehicle's infotainment display will show the system's status. Understanding these three disengagement methods ensures you can safely and effectively manage your Honda Pilot's VTM-4 system for optimal performance in any driving condition. To manually disengage the VTM-4 lock system, follow these essential steps for safe operation. First, ensure your vehicle is positioned on level ground. This prevents unnecessary stress on the drivetrain components during disengagement. Next, avoid disengaging the system while wheels are spinning. Wait for the wheels to stop spinning completely before proceeding. Now locate the VTM-4 lock button on your dashboard. Press and hold this button firmly until the indicator light turns off. Finally, verify the disengagement by checking that the VTM-4 lock indicator light is completely off on your dashboard display. Understanding the proper usage limitations is crucial for preventing damage to your VTM-4 system. Honda's technical guidelines specify critical limitations for VTM-4 lock usage to prevent system damage. The VTM-4 lock should only be used at speeds below 18 miles per hour. Using it at higher speeds can cause serious drivetrain damage. Additionally, the maximum recommended continuous engagement time is 30 minutes. Prolonged use can overheat the system components. Never use VTM-4 lock during sharp turns or on dry pavement at highway speeds, as this can cause tire wear and drivetrain binding. Regular maintenance ensures your VTM-4 system operates reliably for years to come. Follow these maintenance intervals to keep your VTM-4 system in optimal condition. Monthly testing involves engaging and disengaging the VTM-4 lock to ensure proper button and system response. Annual professional system checks should include diagnostic scans and component inspections by qualified Honda technicians. Following these guidelines ensures reliable VTM-4 performance and prevents costly repairs. Proper usage and maintenance will keep your Honda Pilot's all-wheel drive system operating safely for many years.